Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Today I'm making candied sweet potatoes, which I realize are typically served during the holiday season. But we love sweet potatoes so much that we eat them year-round, including this candied version. This whole thing takes about 30 minutes, all on the stovetop from start to finish. So let's see what we're gonna need. I have 3 medium-large sweet potatoes. Now these have been peeled and they will be cut into 3/4 inch thick slices. Normally, when you cook sweet potatoes, you want them all about the same size, but because these are gonna be sliced, it really doesn't matter. I've also got brown sugar and butter for the sauce, and to keep our sugar from crystallizing once it melts, we're gonna add a little bit of corn syrup in there. I've also got salt and pepper. Now we're not gonna need any water because the sweet potatoes release quite a bit while they're cooking. So let's get started. I'm starting with this burner on medium-high. Once the butter melts, we will add in the brown sugar. Let's give these candied sweet potatoes a taste. They are so soft. Oh, so sticky. Perfect, I know. It's just like eating candy for dinner. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.